u MLA kanong po constituency ba Meral Bonds im henen kasi ka prateri ulber arhajar arpuway ulawan ra ay kamat yakren ka badon kam hakaying dorbar thawain halor ka ILP kata ka inner line permit nakaliang uniu MLA ulabu ka jingkli ya ka sorkar bahato onyon ya ka ILP hakajalla uloong bana markat kum ka jingong jong menteri ka kampo ing jong kari u Amit Shah baga jalla Meghalaya ka dei banjit ka way na kiniki arteli la ka kwa ya ka ILP ne ban penne ya ka 6 schedule ulo ongru balada ka jalla Meghalaya kan jit ya ka ILP kan ha bandun o ya ka 6 schedule na kaliang jong new MLA ulo ong ba kumbala ban sothu ka ILP bat ka 6 schedule kaya pher bat omdei ban penyak le lang yaki bat lo kan tujur ya ka sarkar jalla bakat bampatla ban penyo ya ka ILP ha ka jalla kaladei ban penklain bahaya ka rukam pentrai kam ya ka Meghalaya Resident Security Act arajar khan reu kabala tip lengkot kum ka MRSSA dakabakan pengkelano saka ketien khasi ki an ki kendon jong ka MRSSA arajar khan reu bat dei ban sam sha baro ki noyelam snong ki noyelam rai bat shiki hima ba pher jong ka jalla khnang ban la ban sothu pai ba ki ni ki an ki kendon bat kumjo na kaliang ki ni ki noyelam snong ki noyelam rai bat ki noyelam hima ya ka jingwan jong ki weipat ki breu ki bana ki weipat ki jalla ki bajuan ban tre bella bar ki bajuan ban persang ban sengkam sengjam lade ha ka ne ka jalla bar shushu ulo ongru ba ka sarkar kalade ban pengklan shushu iki bor penyai district kom ya ka labor department ki industrial department bat iki wei na ka banta ban la ban pej benya bat ban khang ya ka jingwan kerthep jong ki breu ki bana ki wei ki jalla ki ba khlem ki jing ithu ki ba biang lane ki ba khlem don ki kot ki sla ki ba biang nakaliang umintri rangba ukonrat kongkal sangma haba juba phalor kane uloong ban nakaliang ka sarkar jelahi ka klem shong thait ka ju persang ban yakran halor kini kijing nakapor sakapor bar ka sarkar kme batar hadu mentaru ka jing yakran kadangya sakmat halor ban penbet yikite kijing ka ba ka jela ka juwe kendu nakapor sakapor khamtam habai de bar ka ILP.
Thank you, sir. The issue of ILP is not new. As we all know, it has been started way back in 1979. Even though in the preceding year, the demand has been growing from days to days, especially under the Bengal Eastern Frontier Revolution 1873. So just the past 1.5 years, on December 19, 2019, this very august House has passed a resolution that ILP has to be implemented in the state to protect the identity, protect the culture, so that the indigenous people of our state, they won't be outnumbered the people from outside. There is a talk in circulation in social media, even it comes in the newspaper. On the 22nd of February 2021, in one Khasi newspaper, with big headline that either ILP or 6th schedule. This is a very worrying sign. Why I'm saying so? Because we cannot mix these two together. ILP and the 6th schedule that we are having since the inception of our country. We have the privilege for the land holding system, for the culture, through the 6th schedule, through the district council in our state, to look after the welfare of the indigenous people in its own parameter that has been duly entrusted by the Constitution of India. So that's why I want to be very categorical that the issue of 6th schedule should not be mixed or compromised with the demand of ILP. We want a categorical response from the government through you, sir, whether this is the talk of the day and the people of the state of Meghalaya, they want to know whether we are going to get or not an ILP in our state. That is the question. So now, we would like to get a response from the Honorable Chief Minister that we are going to get or not ILP in our state. Number two, sir, after seeing the positive step and at the same time while waiting for this issue for ILP to take place, the issue of Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act has been in place, this act, and we have seen through comprehensive mechanism, entry point has been set up at Umling, but it needs to be more proactive how this issue has to be taken place at the ground. The rules of MRSSA Act has to be in place. It has to be translated into language that can be easily understood in Khasi Hill, in Jainta Hills, in Garo Hills, because we know that different institutional head or the local authorities, being the headman, the Nokma, the Wahai, they don't understand English. So to know properly so that we can implement this act in letter and spirit, that this has to be translated and circulated to each and every villages so that they can follow this act accordingly. Why I'm saying this? Because we know, even if this act is in place, but if the Rangbashnong, they are not empowered, they are not aware of what to do, how to regulate who has entered the villages, it won't be possible for the act this come. So, another point is that the labor inspector and the industries department has to be very proactive to deal with the laborer coming from outside the state and inform the authority accordingly. There are EPIP in Bernihat, in Umiam. You have seen a chunk of laborer brought from outside the state. We don't know how many has been registered, how many has been informed to the authority. Now with the pandemic has been eased, so factories has opened again to normalcy. So we would like to see, to entrust that the labor inspector and the industries department has to be on their toes to look after that this issue has to be in place. At the same time, the affidavit as per Act, that Form A and Form B has to be filled in, acknowledgement has to be given to those people. It has to be strictly followed. Lastly, sir, to sum up, we need to, as I have said in the beginning, that we need to strengthen the district council through 6th schedule. Number 2, we want to get a response from the government that ILP will be implemented or not, either we are going to get or not. And number 3, Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act 2016 has to be implemented in letter and spirit. Sir, with these few words, I will resume my seat, and I hope that we will get a categorical response from the government. Thank you, sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I first of all would like to thank Shri Meralbon CM, the MLA from Nongpo constituency, who has tabled this 0-hour notice in this August House for discussion under the caption Claim Kular ILP Usha Ya UCM Bat Deputy CM Kular Shim Kya Thang Yaka MRSSA. So the state government has taken a serious view on the issue of implementation of ILP in the state. In response to the demands of various sections of societies like the NGOs in the state for implementation of ILP, the state government has held series of meetings with organizations, NGOs and various committees were constituted to find out solutions to solve the problem of influx. So the Meghalaya Residents Safety and Security Act 2016 was passed by the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly and received the assent of the Governor on 26 September 2016. The objectives of the Act is to provide a framework of verification and regulation of tenants residing in the state of Meghalaya so as to enhance the security of the citizens of the state and to prevent breach of peace and maintenance of public order and establishment of facilitation centers. So the proposals for amendment of the Act was necessitated to strengthen the existing Act and to verify the persons who intend to stay in Meghalaya. The Honourable Member has given a number of valuable suggestions in regards to MRSSA, in regards to the Labour Act which was passed by the government of Meghalaya about a year back, which makes it mandatory for all migrant labourers to register And as the Honourable Member and the House would know that the registration now process has been made online. So therefore, these kind of provisions are being made and a number of steps are being taken. Apart from that, so many suggestions were given. I have noted all the suggestions given by the Honourable Members, and I hope that the above information that I have given satisfies the Honourable Member. Thank you, sir.